Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover question number 5, 6 and 7. Question number 5 is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. The statement is half perimeter is 36 meter and then we have to convert the statement length is 4 meter more than its width to the equation, and then we have to find the dimension of garden, that is length and width of garden. Question number 5. Let's assume the parameter of rectangular garden that is perimeter equals to P, length equals to L and width equals to W. We have to find what is length and what is width. Given the statement length is 4 meter more than its width, so we have to add 4 meter in width to make the equality sign. This is the first equation, and second equation, that is half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. 1 by 2 half of perimeter equals to 36 meter. This is the second equation. Then we have third equation, that is perimeter of the rectangular garden equals to 2 into length plus width. This is the third equation. The rectangular garden has length L and width W. Let us start from the equation number 2, that is 1 by 2 P equals to 36. Put equation 3, that is P equals to 2 into L plus W, half as it is. P equals to 2 into L plus W equals to 36. 2 will get cancelled. Length plus width equals to 36. Now from the equation 1 we have length equals to width plus 4. We can put L equals to W plus 4 plus W equals to 36 because of equation 1. Now we have 2W plus 4 equals to 36. 2W equals to 32. Width equals to 16 meter. We got the width. We have the equation 1, that is length equals to width plus 4. We have width equals to 16 meter plus 4 meter. That's why length equals to 20 meter. Question number 5. Question number 5 is given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. We have to write the another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is first intersecting lines, second parallel lines, and third coincident lines. So for the first intersecting lines, let's assume the equation is let's assume linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Given the equation, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, we have a1, a2, a3 for the first equation, that is a, b and c, and for the second equation it is 2, 3 and minus 8. For the intersecting lines, we know the relation between coefficients, that is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. From the given coefficients, that is a1 is a2 is 2 not equals to b1 is b, b2 is 3. We can write a upon b equals to 2 upon 3 not equals to 2 upon 3. That is, we can write a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. We can take a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. This satisfies the equation, that is 3 by 4 not equals to 2 by 3. So the linear equation will become ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That is, we have taken a equals to 3x plus b equals to 4y. We can take any c, that is the integer or any number. Let's take 5 equals to 0. This is the required equation to make two lines intersecting. Now second part, we have to form the linear equation such that two lines becomes parallel lines. Given the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, let's take the another equation, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The coefficients a, b and c for the first line are 2, 3, minus 8. For the second line it is a, b and c. For the parallel lines, the relation between coefficients is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. Take any of the one pair. Let's take a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 first. That is, a is 2 upon a equals to 3 upon b. That is 2 by 3 equals to a by b. This implies we can take a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. This will satisfy 2 by 3 equals to 2 by 3. We got a and b. Now take the another pair, that is b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. b1 is 3 upon b, that is 3 upon b, b equals to 3 we got, not equals to c1 is minus 8 and c minus 8 and c, that is 3 will get cancelled, c not equals to minus 8. So we got all the coefficients, that is a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c not equals to 8. So we can form the linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y. We have to take c other than 8. So we can take 9 plus 9 not equals to minus 8. We can take 9 equals to 0. This forms the linear equation such that two lines are parallel lines. Now third, for coincident lines, the first equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Let's assume second equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That is to be found out the a, b and c. For the first equation is 2, 3 and minus 8. For the second equation it is a, b and c. For the coincident lines, we know the relation, that is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. First take any one pair. Let's take a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2. We have a1 equals to 2 upon a equals to 3 upon b, that is 2 upon a and 3 upon b. We can write 2 by 3 equals to a divided by b, that is a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. Now take the another pair, that is b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. We have b1 equals to 3 upon b equals to minus 8 upon c. 3 upon b, we got b equals to 3 and c1, that is minus 8 upon c, that is c equals to 3 will get cancelled, c equals to minus 8. We got all the coefficients, so we can write the equation, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. We have a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to minus 8 equals to 0. This equation will form the two lines that are coincident. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is, draw the graph of linear equation x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. And determine the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. We have to form the triangle. The equations are x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. To plot the lines on graph, we need at least 2 points. If we put x equals to 0, minus y equals to minus 1, we have y equals to 1. If we put y equals to 0, we will get x equals to minus 1. For the second line, if we put x equals to 0, we have 2y equals to 12 and y equals to 6. And if we put y equals to 0, we get 3x equals to 12, that is x equals to 4. Now we got the coordinates for the first and the second line, that is for the first line x is 0, y is 1, x is minus 1, y is 0. For the second line x is 0, y is 6 and x is 4, y is 0. Now let's plot the lines on the graph. X is 0, then y is 1. X is 0, y is 1 and x is minus 1, then y is 0. This is the first line. In the second line x is 0, then y is 6. And when x is 4, then y is 0. The points are 4, 0 and 0, 6. So the line is passing through the points 0, 6 and 4, 0. We have to form the region, that is x-axis in the two lines. So the region is the x-axis in the two lines, that is L1 and L2. So the region is this x-axis in these two lines. So region is the triangle A, B and C. We have covered topic number 3.3 in the previous lectures. And we will cover exercise 3.2. Thank you.